Hi everyone and welcome to my place. It is spring here, the bottom of the world, Auckland, New Zealand, and I want to introduce you to one of my most preferred special fragrant plants, and it is this, and it is called Boronia. Now I've had it for a month and it is just about finished flowering. There's two types. This one is the one with the little brown little flowers on it, and there's another one that's got pink. I don't like the pink one as much as this. I have loved and loved and loved imbibing on the essence of this beautiful spring bloom. So much so that I decided I needed a fragrance so that I could have it all year. I went digging and I managed to find some Boronia essential oil, and I put that in with my carrier oil, which is a jojoba, and it just didn't sing enough for me. So I had a little play around and I've come up with a fragrance that I think if you love roses and if you love the Boronia, you can have a fragrance that will just go on and on and on until the next season returns. It's really easy. Let me just share. Hold on. I just need to have a look. It's just beautiful. I love it. Okay, to start, put my glasses on. You need a little roller bottle, and into this, I just want to put just half fill it, about 20 mils. Just a little bit. Not too much. I might have put a bit much into there, but never mind. That'll be all right for now. Then into that, we're just going to put 3 drops of bergamot. That might have been 4. Never mind, we'll see what that comes out like. And then some essential oil of rose. We want to have about 10 of those. That's not going to do it. I knew that wasn't going to do it. So I'll just use this little one here because I know that that's got 12 drops in it. That's Rose Absolute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, for goodness sake, why am I know that there's 12 drops in there. That goes into there. And you could also put some sandalwood into there if you wanted to, which is what that's got into it. And then with this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the Boronia. Put this on the top. I love making fragrances and it's ages since I've made one. Give that a shake. Put that in a dark place. Leave it for a couple of weeks, and then every time you use it, give it a good shake. Put it on. And now I've got spring and summer together. Beautiful fragrance. It's worth having a crack at because you might just enjoy it as much as I do. Anyway, that's it. I hope you like that, and I look forward to seeing you again another day. Bye for now.